Hi everyone, it's Mr. T back again. Thanks for tuning in. This time I'm here with a short video showing my visit out on a $25 million luxury yacht parked here in Sosua Bay. This visit I made while I was conducting a consultancy session with the captain named David. But first, a few casual clips here from DR and then we'll get started. Enjoy. So that's the big yacht out there, the one furthest away that I'm going to be going on in about 20 minutes. A lovely day on Sosua Beach, and I'm being picked up by a client actually today for consulting. And to the left of Tip Top Catamaran here, we got a little boat coming from the big yacht out here. We've got another Dave here, so just being picked up in the dinghy, and that must be the other David here. And today I'm with the two Davids, and we're heading out to a beautiful big yacht behind me here. I'm just swinging the camera around. You're going to see it parked right in front of Mount Isabella here. Beautiful day. And the flag on the back, that is Cayman Islands. I've been invited to come up, so this is absolutely magnificent. So this is the back end of the yacht here. So now we are on the very top. Here's a jacuzzi. Welcome to Sosua, David.
Thank you very much. Happy to be here. Nice to meet you, Mr. T.
Nice to meet you too. So, where did you come from with the boat?
Originally we came from Italy. We spent 1 month at sea with some weather stops, and we've just been chartering around the Caribbean, mostly the British Virgin Islands. And then we've just finished there and we're on the way to Florida. So we're doing a bit of a weather stop, and I'm trying to promote this area for yachting as well for some of the clients we have. So we'll be back.
Right.
A few more times.
And you are heading to Ocean World?
Ocean World tomorrow morning, very early, when the winds are calm and the tides are coming up, and then we'll be there for a couple of weeks probably, and then we'll go on to Florida where we're going to do some maintenance, annual maintenance things, before we do some Bahamas, Caribbean, East Coast America, I think. That's
And how big is this yacht?
She's 146 feet, so that's 44.6 meters.
Yeah.
She weighs about 350 tons.
350 tons. I'll just show them the front here. You see Sosua Beach in the background, and let's swing around. These are big radars, are they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful. This is the upper lounge with a fancy jacuzzi here. So how often do somebody float in the jacuzzi?
It's hard to say. Obviously at the sea it's hard to keep the water inside it, so every day it's filled up for their use, so whenever they want.
So David, what's the terminology you use for captain's deck, or?
We call this the bridge in a lot of places, pilot houses in some, generally we call it the bridge area.
Yeah.
It's where the navigation for moving the boat happens, and also it's my office, so obviously I have the best view on board for an office.
Great, let me just
in the background.
Swing the camera around, and these boats, everything's digital. Yeah.
Yes, we can turn all the lights on, engines on, everything's pretty much digitally controlled.
Yeah, and a lot of the time you stand up, or you can sit in these.
Yeah, well, we see for 4 hours on watch navigation, so we can sit down. It's not
looks like a barber's chair.
It does.
Yeah. Okay, so this is showing something with Sosua here.
Yeah, that's just a charting system. So it doesn't have much detail, but you can see that's where we came in today. There. And then so what I did is, obviously, as we come in, is very basic information. I measured from the mainland, the basic details I got there. Then with the radar, I confirmed the distances just so that we wouldn't go on the reef. So and then we have the depth. So we're quite deep. So it's not a place to stay for a long time, to be honest.
Yeah. It makes it rocky if it's deep.
No, it's just the amount of chain. You normally have to put it times 4 times 5 chain of depth, and we don't have that length of chain on board. So the gyroscopic compass, basically it's a sphere. It's spun at about, I don't know, 8,000 RPM. I approximate that, but about 8,000 RPM inside glycerin liquid, and then from that settling into it points at the true north of the planet.
Yeah, and
that's the magnetic compass, and that points towards the magnetic north, which is up in Canada somewhere at the moment.
Whoa. Alright, we're getting in the dinghy again. Ready to head to shore. We've got Cheramikos. So quick hello from Sosua Beach.
So hard to find my way.
Alright folks, sorry that I couldn't show you many of the lounges and quarters of this amazing luxury yacht due to the strict rules from the owner. But take it from me, it is definitely upscale, and I highly appreciate Captain David allowing me to film what I just showed you guys here. Back to my channel info. If you haven't already checked my online information service out called InfoHub, then you can do so through the link seen in the banner displayed below, which by joining gives you access to all my suggested contacts down here and in-depth information about the North Coast area, as well as general information about Dominican Republic. Also feel free to subscribe, tick like and refer my videos to your friends. Many thanks for watching and happy travels. Bye bye. Woohoo! Well done, buddy.